is a good thing. But you see, again, this is the problem I have with my good friend Ken Ofori-Atta. He's brought all of this onto himself. He should, once ICE picks you up, right, and then detains you, your case now becomes a very, you're fighting your problem, because right now, ICE is treating you as some sort of a criminal, right? Like you probably will stay your visa, you're not going to apply. And in the process of applying, they'll say, you are facing some issues back home. They'll bangle you and throw you back here. He better prays that his lawyers are up to the game, because Trump don't play. They don't play. Once they say you are cited for criminal issues in Ghana, your problems have multiplied by several fold. And I think I blame his lawyers. They badly advised him. Everybody who spoke on his behalf was badly advising him. He should have come to Ghana long ago, rather than being detained by ICE. ICE would make you like you tell him to. I don't think it's a good reputation he wants to get for himself out there. I thought it's really.
Hello everyone. This is just a breaking news about our former finance minister Ken Ofori-Atta. There's a news out there that he has been detained by ICE. When we say ICE, ICE is Immigration and Customs Enforcement. Those are the people that have been deporting people, arresting immigrants, and then deporting them. That's ICE. They have detained the former Minister of Finance, Ken Ofori-Atta. My question is, why would ICE detain Ken Ofori-Atta? And there's a letter out there which was put up by his lawyers in Ghana. And I'll read it to you, okay? The law firm goes by the name Minka Primo, Osebonsu, Bruce Caitlin, and Partners. So they issued this letter out there. And the letter has been circulating online. So if you see this letter, this is what they said, and I'm going to read it to you. Before I dive deep into it, please, if you haven't subscribed to Prime Share, kindly subscribe, like, and also share the videos. And please don't forget to put me on post notifications. And feel free to leave a comment at the comment section. All right, let's move on. Now, let's go through the letter that was put out there by the lawyers or the partners, okay? It is just like public notice, okay? So the first paragraph reads, the United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement, which is ICE, as of yesterday, detained the former Minister for Finance, Mr. Ken Ofori-Atta, regarding the status of his current stay in the United States. His U.S. legal team is in contact with ICE and expects the matter to be resolved expeditiously. What a word. Ghana for Jesus Christ. Now let's move on to paragraph 2. It says, Mr. Ofori-Atta has a pending petition for adjustment of status, which authorizes a person to stay in the U.S. legally past the period of validity of their visa. Under U.S. law, a change of status by this method is common, okay? The public is therefore advised to note that Mr. Ken Ofori-Atta, as a law-abiding person, is fully cooperating with ICE to have this issue resolved. I'll talk more about paragraph 2. It says at the beginning, it says, Ken Ofori-Atta has a pending petition for adjustment of status, okay? And then if you read deeper, or if you go down, a person to stay in the U.S. legally past the period of validity of their visa. Okay, so from what I've read, I think Mr. Ken Ofori-Atta's visa has expired. That's the only option that will come in mind. And if your visa has expired, that doesn't mean you can't stay there legally. You can. But what did he do for ICE to go for him? What did he do? Did they intentionally go for him? Or he did something and then they went for him? Like, which nobody knows what happened, right? But this is what I think transpired. Since Ghana has a pending case against Ken Ofori-Atta about the whole extradition of US bringing him to Ghana, this is the reason why ICE has went in for Ken Ofori-Atta. Because the authorities in Ghana, they want him in Ghana so that he can come and face justice. But this man is finding ways and means. He has lawyers there that are fighting for him in US and also have lawyers in Ghana. So by all means, he's finding possible ways and means not to come to Ghana. But because the whole process of the extradition, this is the reason why maybe ICE has went in for Mr. Ken Ofori-Atta, because he has become a financial burden, maybe, who knows? And if not a financial burden, they don't want to entertain such person. And even there's a video out there which talks more about that.
Breaking news right now, fresh on the plate. This is Ghana Tonight. just coming through, breaking news right now, and this is with regards to Kenneth Nanaya Ofori-Atta, the former finance minister of the Republic of Ghana. And Mr. Kujo, we're talking about oral, and this news has just hit us right now. And we're going to put a statement from his lawyers on the screen. That is Menka Premo Osebonsu, Bruce Kathleen, and partners. His lawyers here in Ghana. Well, Mr. Kujo, this is it. This is the latest. And we're talking about oral. He's a subject of oral as well, a number of cases as well that been looked into. And this is what's happened right now. Mr. Kujo.
This is a good thing, but you see, again, this is the problem I have with my good friend Ken Ofori-Atta. He's brought all of this onto himself. He should, once ICE picks you up, right, and detains you, your case now becomes a very, you're fighting your problem, because right now, ICE is treating you as some sort of a criminal, right? Now you probably will stay your visa, you're not going to apply. And in the process of applying, they'll say, you are facing some issues back home. They'll bangle you and throw you back here. He better praise that his lawyers are up to the game, because Trump don't play. They don't play. Once they say you are cited for criminal issues in Ghana, your problems have multiplied by several fold. And I think I blame his lawyers. They badly advised him. Everybody who spoke on his behalf was badly advising him. He should have come to Ghana long ago, rather than being detained by ICE. ICE would make you like you tell me to. I don't think it's a good reputation he wants to get for himself out there. I thought it's really awful. It's really.
So this is the video that's also going around. They're talking about the same thing that I'm talking about, right? US, they don't want to go through the whole process of him hiring like a lawyer and all these things. It's like a waste of time, because he has to hire a lawyer. They will go to court and then they have to go back and forth. It's like the Justice Department of US, them to lose money too, and they don't want to lose money. So it's like an easy way and like easy target for them to detain Mr. Ken Ofori-Atta. And I know for sure maybe they won't send him right away, but it will take time. They will go more into it, and then they will like bring him to Ghana. But my question to Mr. Ken Ofori-Atta is, okay, if you haven't done anything bad, why are you so scared to come back to Ghana? If you know you haven't done anything wrong, why are you so scared to come to your own country? Why are you hiding in America? Your visa has expired. When your visa expired, you're supposed to come, but he's still there. That's why there's a petition. That's why they say there's a petition about his status, right? Because the status is about the visa, and he has expired. So if he has expired, then hey, you're supposed to leave the country. But the man maybe want to stay there. That's why he has all these lawyers fighting for him. And hey, ICE has won in for him. And definitely, who knows, maybe they will send him to Ghana. Let's see how everything goes. And if I get any more updates, I will send it to your way. And please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. I have promised to share. Mediane na edu. Edu chem.